Okay, so let's see how we can create a table generator, or before that, let's see how we can print a table of two by using value. So this is how the table of two looks like. Let's see what we are repeating here in table of two. You can see two, either you can say 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and so on. Or you can say, okay, 2 cross 1 is equal to 2. Okay. Again, 2 cross 2 is equal to 4. 2 cross 3, 2 cross 4. Okay. You can see the same thing. Either you can do it by this. Okay. Like this one. And you can repeat the same statement that you can add 2 in every step. Then also you can print the table of 2. Or you can multiply the same 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4 in each of the step. Okay, so any option you can apply here. Let me use both of them. Okay, so let's see. First of all, like this one, I want to go from 2 to 20. So A is equal to 2, while the value of A is smaller than or equal to 20. Up to 20 I want to go. What I want to perform? So here I want to print the value of A. Okay, and uh, when the condition is satisfied, I want to print the value of A. Also, I want to increment the value of A by 2 in every step. Okay, so 2 plus 2. Okay, 4 plus 2 again 6. 6 plus 2 is, and so on. So A is equal to A plus 2. Let's see how it actually works. So A is equal to 2. While the value of A is smaller than or equal to 20, true. If true, print the value of A, which is 2. Cursor is in next line. A is equal to A plus 2. That means A is equal to 2 plus 2. What is the value of A plus 2, which is 4 now? So 4, this is 4 that equal to 20. True. If true, print the value of which is 4. Cursor is in next line. A is equal to A plus 2, which is basically 6. And so on. It goes up to 6 here. Okay. Let's, okay. So this is how we can do this. Now, one more thing you can apply here by using multiplication also. In multiplication, how it works? So 2 cross 1 is equal to 2. 2 cross 2 is equal to 4. 2 cross 3 is equal to 6, up to 2 cross 10 is equal to 20. So in this case, 2 is constant here. A is equal to 2. While, or before that, see, first of all, we need to apply here 1 to 10 is dynamic here. So A is equal to 1 I'm using, while the value of A is more than or is equal to 10. I just want to print the value of A here. Okay, and A increment by 1. So it print 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. But because I want to print the table of 2, in each of the 1 to 10, I can just multiply the value with 2 only. And it print the table of 2 here. Okay, so this is also, we can do this. So in A we have 1. So in A we have 1, while while the value of A is more than equal to 10, true. If true, print A cross 2. That means 1 cross 2, which is 2. Okay, print it. Cursor is the next line. A is equal to A plus 1, which becomes 2 now. So 2 is more than equal to 10, true. If true, print A cross 2, which is 4 now. So print 4, cursor is the next line, and so on up to 10. So 10 cross 2 is 20. This is how it works. Let's do it in the programming part. So first of all, increment by 2. A is equal to 2. While the value of A is more than or equal to 20, up to 20 I want to go. Want to print the value of A, and A is equal to A plus 2. That's it. Run this code, and you can see the table of 2 is here. Let's comment it out. And now the next step. So A is equal to 1, while the value of A is more than or is equal to 10. So from 1 to 10 I want to go. I just want to print the value of A, and A plus equal to 1. It will print only 1 to 10 in each of the line. Okay, one by one. Now, I just want to multiply here with 2. And then it will give me the table of 2. Okay. Now, so in both of the, you can use both of the methods. Okay. Now, the next thing is I want to create a table generator this time by using while loop in Python. Okay. Now, what is a table generator? So what I exactly want to do, just try to take a value from user, try to take a number from the user. Okay, whatever number user will give you, no, try to create a table of that number. Suppose they will give you 6, so print a table of 6. User will give you 71, so print a table of 71 and so on. This kind of table generator we want to create. Let's see how we can do this. So in this case, as you can see, every time the user can give any number. So this method will not that much appropriate. So we can apply this method here. It is more useful now. So here, if I have 1 to 10 value, whatever number they will give us, we can just multiply with that number, no? So I'm using here a is equal to 1, while a is more than or is equal to 10. I just want to print the value of a here. That's it. A is equal to a plus 1. And that will give me 1 to 10. Now I want to take value from user to print the table. Okay, because I want to do a table generator, no? So let's take the value from user. So I'm using an n is equal to, and I want the value because I want to multiply it. So int input, because if the user will give me string value, it will give us a number as it will just concatenate the value. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. Input. So enter the number. Okay. Now whatever number user will give us, no, suppose it will give you 2. So I want to multiply it with 2. Okay. So the value of n. Now let's run this code. So number I'm using is 6. So you can see 6, 2 times 6, 3 times 6, 4 times 6 and so on. This is not what we want. It is because of it is a string, and a string, when you're using multiplication in the string, it does the concatenation only. So in this case, we need to convert it into a typecasting, integer or float. I'm using an integer. Now run this code. Table of 3. Okay. Same way, table of 89 and so on. Now this is how you can create a table generator by using Python. Thank you.